record. Okay. So, do you also learn programming at your school?
Mhm. Not yet, but I have heard uh, a chapter about C++, but I think it's like one side.
Okay, C++. Good, good. Okay, but you already have knowledge about basic Python from Python Start first year, and I hope you still remember about that, about the basic Python. Okay, so we're gonna continue your lesson to Python Start second year. It's about, okay, let me share this. Mm, Okay, wait. One moment. Okay. Mm, Okay, so yes, this is our course plan. We're
Uh,
gonna learn.
I I can I still can't see the share screen.
Oh, okay, learning. Okay, now you can see it.
Oh, yes, I can see it now.
Okay, so this is our course plan for Python Start second year. We're gonna learn about data structure, and then we're using PyQt5, and then we're gonna learn about image processing, and then we're gonna learn using Pygame to build game development. And yeah, there is okay, it's just these two for course plan. And today we gonna learn about exception handling. But before that, we gonna do a review about the basic Python before. Okay. Okay, do you still remember about data type? How
Maybe
many?
like integer.
Yeah,
Uh, I guess four,
or no?
four types.
There are four main data types. You have it.
I
There's right
forgot how much.
integer, and then
Maybe uh like operational symbols.
operational. No. Okay, so is it? Remember, there's
Uh,
integer and decimals or float, and then string. Do you remember string?
yes.
If there's even text or number or date, if it's in apostrophe, it's identified as string. Okay, and then Boolean has only two values, true and false. Okay, there are four data types. Okay, and then the function. What's the function for input? You remember?
It's to ask like the user about something, and you can use the answer to do something else.
Yes, that's right. Correct. Exactly. And then we use function input for getting data from user. And then we use function print to output on the screen. Okay, there's a function for input and output. And then conditional statement. You still remember what code that we were?
Like if else.
Yeah, that's right, exactly. Wow, you still remember it. Good job. Yeah. If else, right? Is it for if is the condition is true, gonna run if block. And if the condition is not true, it will run else block. Okay, and then types of conditional statement. Okay, there is if and else, and then there is if we have a condition more than two, we use else. If just we have two condition, we can use if else. But we have more than two or multiple condition, we can use if, else, and else. Okay, and then loop. Okay, do you remember what type of loop? There are two types of loop.
I think one of them is the for loop,
Yes,
or maybe the while also.
yes, that's right. Exactly. Yeah, there's we gonna review about while loop. Okay, it runs as long as the program. And then we use counter. Do you remember the counter? If if we don't use counter, maybe the program will not stop. Okay, so we have to use counter to while loop. Okay, that's good. You still remember. Okay, wait. I have to start my laptop.
Okay.
Okay, so today we gonna learn about exception handling. Okay, before that, let's take a look at the sample task. So there is a program is question and answer. Here we have the string, and then we gonna input student answer. If there is a conditional statement, if student answer is maple, the output is that's right. If the condition is not true, the output is incorrect answer. Okay, so we can use if and else. And so we gonna print the string first, and then we use input function, and then we use if and else. The condition is answer equal maple. The program will print that's right. If it's not true, we'll print incorrect answer. Okay, so That goes to the next example. Wait. Hmm. Okay. So you have to we just review about while loop and then if else. And while when we use a while loop, we also create a counter. This the variable of counter is whatever you want, okay? And then the value is can be start from 0 or 1. And then we can add the counter here. Counter will add 1 the current value. Like this. It's just a review while loop. Okay, do you still remember how to code the while loop?
Yes, but I kind of forgot the like there as exclamation mark and equal to.
The expression.
I forgot what's the function of like the exclamation and equal to symbol for the operational.
Operational calculate. Okay, it says there is a condition and then we just okay there is one example. There is a string, a square is given with a size of 3 and we have to input the parameter. Okay, and then we gonna do input as long as the answer is not correct. There also the run program will as long as run. Okay, so there is a just input and then we integer because we want input the whole number. We use SENT integer and then while answer is not equal 12, it's gonna print input again. It's gonna input again from the user to input the other number until the 12. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Is it clear? Just while loop and then the operational just equal and it's not equal. Okay, so before that, okay. The first test is about just while loop. Then we use a counter. And then the answer we can input. We can input again and again with counter until the answer is not equal 12. Can you still confused or is it clear?
I just confused with that one you blocked before. The index equal to index plus one.
Index plus 1. Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah. Okay. There's a counter. We have to initialize counter. Okay, we initialize counter e equal 1. And then there's a um, if plus if plus one is means we add one to the current value. So we have we given input three, three, and then if the system can print try again, and then we input again four. Nah, the value can change into two. Okay, we input again five. The counter can three.
Okay.
Yeah, we add this at the current value, and then in this we and the last answer counter from this is three attempts because we input three times. If
Okay.
setting it into a variable counter, is it clear?
It's clear.
Okay. Okay, so are you already logged in on Gonova platform?
Uh, Not yet, but I think I can log in now.
Okay. Do you already have username and your password?
Yes.
Okay. You can try login first. And then we go to first lesson.
Do I need to share screen?
Yes, but
Okay.
first, okay, there is first.
Um,
So you can try to do first task is for object one.
okay.
Okay, and this making the terms and the definition. And then yeah, you can to do first. Yeah. Maybe in this tag I will help you better. But you have to do first task. Okay, working.
Oh,
Okay, it's correct. Okay, so mhm, mhm, now, okay. You can read the question is about question and answer program. So there is only two conditions, right? There is the student enters the correct answer number. If the number is correct, the program displays that's right. If the number is incorrect, then it's incorrect in 1945. So you can use if else in the
okay.
line 5. Okay. Okay. If answer equal, the correct answer is 3. Equal 3. Okay. And then print that's right.
Um,
Okay. Yes. And then L. Mm-hmm. Incorrect. Yes.
Is it done?
Yeah, but there's typo E there in. Mm-hmm.
Uh, like this,
Yep. And then you can add dot in the left like this.
or the dot.
Yes. Okay. Yep. That's right. You can check. Hmm.
Oh,
Ah, I think there's another typo. This is also yep.
why does it say incorrect?
Hmm. Incorrect in wait. Okay. Again. Ah, okay. So in line 3, it identified as string. So you have to add integer.
Oh, uh,
No, it's right. 3. No, 3. Okay, now this you can add integer in line 3.
how? Oh, okay.
Yeah, integer. Okay, so good. Okay, so it use while loop. If the student if the student answer correctly, the program displays answer counter after attempt. So you have to make variable to counter attempt equal 0. Okay, wait. I'll send you a reference code. Wait.
Like this.
Okay, wait. Yes, equal 0. Equal, yep. Equal
Is it
1.
double?
I'll start in 1. No, no, just,
Oh,
yes, 1. And then you can use while loop. Mm-hmm. While
what?
answer. Okay, so the correct answer is Mark Twain. So the answer, while answer, is not equal. Yeah, it's not equal Mark Twain. Mm-hmm. The answer is gonna input again. So
Huh?
answer equal input, input. Okay, same as the line first. Is who wrote the Adventures of Tom Dick? Okay, and after that, the answer is lower again.
Okay.
Mm-mm. Yeah, and then attempt plus equal 1. Yeah, that's true. Okay, attempt. Okay, you can check. Hmm.
I I the
Mark
typos.
Twain was Mark
Mm,
Twain was Mark Twain correct, correct, while then okay, wait. Mm, okay, so you can open the question. Okay, you can stop the run. You can stop the program first. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mark Twain. Mm, okay, wait. So the correct answer is this, like this. Wait, yes. Can you see it in your screen? So maybe in
oh,
this Mark Twain,
is it on lower
yes,
every
I
lower
think
case?
yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Other copy, correct.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah. Yes, so the program, the student, three questions with three answer. What is the difference? Okay, so you have to input. You have to make the input. What is the difference between the product? Okay, you have to create variable. Yeah. Okay. And remember, the input is integer. So, okay. Yep, yep. That's right. Okay. And then after that, or okay. Uh, we're gonna use if condition first. If answer equal 10, yeah, equal 10. Mm-hmm. Score 4 plus equal 1 plus 1.
Right?
This the counter, it will,
Oh,
uh, yes, plus 1. Okay, and
well,
then,
do I need to make another
yes,
question?
yes, that's right. That's right. Okay, you can add at the below here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it will check the input one by one. Hmm? Yeah, 17. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mhm. Okay, and then print. Mhm. Result. Mhm. Result. And then you can add the content variable core.
Is it done?
Yeah, this is right. You can check. Mhm. Okay, that's good. Okay, there's a question answer again. If the user answer correctly, okay. So it will use while loop. So you have a make variable to input how many continents are there on Earth first. Mhm. Okay, and then while loop, while question one is not equal 7. Mm-hmm. Okay, and then we use if answer, and then the program, okay, and then, wait.
With this
Mm,
one,
oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
7.
7, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. And then
Oh,
else first, else will print. Mm, mm, Too many, there are people. Okay, and then you can make a variable to input try again. Mhm. Okay, you can add integer. You can also add integer. Okay, and then the last print this, right? Okay. Okay.
or
And then you can delete
what?
just yeah, space.
Mm,
And then print. Print right. Mm-hmm.
oh,
Print. Yes. Mhm. You can copy paste here. Yeah. Okay. You can check it first. Mm,
maybe you need to add something under the try again.
okay. Well, what? Okay, wait, wait. Also, put for and so there are no too many. There are so wait. Is it right? Could be right again. Just simple or is it if you delete this space,
I'm sorry.
if can you delete this space? Maybe. The
Oh,
next.
which one do I need to delete?
Oh, wait, wait, wait. Oh, okay. Here. You can delete this space.
I cannot really hear
Oh,
you clearly.
okay, okay. Okay. Here, you can
Uh,
delete
oh,
maybe.
oh, okay.
Yeah. Because the logic is true. Hmm. Okay, wait. While
Oh,
when
maybe I need to use the same variable.
oh maybe. Yes. You can question one.
Oh, yes.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's true. Okay, okay. Okay. Hmm. There are four correct answers. Hmm. Hmm. The last answer is correct. We know what a
Maybe
string is.
this.
No. This the last answer. We know what a string is. String find.
Mm.
This
String find.
is correct. Correct. Wait. If both no string and then this. The correct answer is this, this, this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, before you continue the last test, we can continue the next topic first. So I have to stick to the presentation first. Okay, so it is our main topic, exception handling. Okay, you can see here we have a program for calculating the area of a rectangle. So I will input the length of the first side and then the second side and then A times B. So if like this, it it only the input only whole number, right? So if I input 10 centimeter, it's not whole number, and then there is a error in this program. Yeah, the last time the program ran, the Python interpreter did not notice the error because the program only the whole number, input the whole number. So if we input the string, it can be error. And a user without a programming skills, imagine that a user don't have knowledge about Python, will not understand the cause of this error, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have to do is exception handling, is identifying undesirable program behavior and describing the program's reaction to that error. Okay, types of programming error. There are critical, detected by the interpreter and corrected by programmer. And then there is a hidden, not visible to the interpreter and the hinder the user. So we're gonna use try and accept. Okay. So gonna we're gonna take a look at this start. It's the same program to calculate the rectangle, area of rectangle. So the first input the first side, and then we convert into a integer. We use try code and accept. Okay, at the first we convert into a integer, and then accept. If we don't input integer, for example, I input 10 centimeters, it will print error. Enter the length as an integer without letters. And then it will ask again to input the integer. And then we use try and accept again. to convert into integer. So like this. If we input 10 centimeter, it will print error, enter the blank without letter, and then I input again 10. And then the program will run, enter the second side part. Okay, so uh, if we don't use try and accept, while the error happens, the program will stop immediately, right? Like this.
Yes.
Yeah, the program will stop. But if we use try and accept, the program will still running. But it can be what's the so wait it can be detected, and then um the program still running like this. If the user don't have knowledge about Python, they also know, oh, my input is wrong. I think 10 centimeter is wrong. Maybe just 10. Okay. It's also for user uh know how to input the correct answer. This is why we need try and accept. So the program still running, even the error happens. Okay, is it clear? Or do you still confused?
It's clear.
Okay. So the user, if the program is if the program stops, the user cannot continue, right? But when we try and accept, the user can continue again and again to input the correct answer, like this. So we need try and accept to handle error. So an exception handler detects undesirable program behavior and describes the reaction to that error. So it can be explained what is error. So the program exception handling, we use try and accept. If necessary, exception handling can be put into a loop, maybe in while loop or for loop. It can. Okay, is
Okay.
it clear?
It's clear.
Okay. Okay, maybe we can continue to this task. If you have any questions, you can ask me, okay? So the second,
I don't have any question.
okay. So you can do the next question. Continue to it for object 2. Yes? Okay. Can you start screen again? Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Can you back first?
I don't know why, but my oh
Yeah. Back.
I stepped on the space.
Uh, it's okay. Okay, and then the two is for text. Okay. Okay, this is special program that recognize and execute commands.
Is it try?
No, is interpreter. Okay, the first answer is interpreter. Yes, interpreter. Okay, and then comments cannot be recognized. To identify and describe hidden error, we use exception processor.
My
Mm.
internet is a bit lagging, so
Ah,
like
it's okay.
sometimes the voice is breaking.
Ah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I can, your voice is not clearly in here. Okay, wait. Exception processor. Okay, I send it to chat.
I think this one is hidden.
No, I send the correct
Sorry.
answer in chat, in your chat room. Exception processor.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. Or I can write here. Wait, that can. Okay, yeah. And then it's defined by two operators: try and accept. This after try, an
Mhm.
attempt is made to execute a command. Try. The correct answer is try.
Oh, try.
Try, yes. And then accept.
Mm. Like this.
Yes. And then cool developer operator algorithmic loop construct while.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you can continue. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. Okay, so there is a while loop and then we use try and accept. Okay, integer enter print. Okay, and then after try and accept, we can use try and accept again in this try and accept. Try. Mm-hmm. Try. You have to create a variable first. There is, yeah.
Like this.
No. Correct, before. You can place it here, right? Yes, right, and then enter. Make a variable to setting with amount to setting this. Okay. Okay. Can you see my text in your screen?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, you have to make variable first. Oh, okay. Is that variable?
Yes.
Ah, okay. It's okay, no problem. I think the value. Okay,
What do I need to do?
equal, split amount, yes, split underscore amount or children amount.
Like this.
Okay, and then after that, you can print it tiles like this. You can print mm, you can print this. Each child will receive. Portion is your variable. Mhm. Your variable. Yes, this. Okay, and then you can add accept. Yes. Okay, so it will print. Wait. It will print this division error. If zero children come. Okay, wait for a moment. I have to open my door first. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, but it's okay. You can continue the text after the class over or when or on your free time.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, I think our class is enough. I guess
Okay.
today we learn about exception handling using try and accept to handle error in a program. So okay, if you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime via WhatsApp, okay? And
Okay.
excuse me, your is a number your is yours or your mother number?
It's mine.
Oh, it's yours. Okay. You can ask anything anytime via WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss. Goodbye,
Edward.
Miss.
Yeah, good job, Edward. Actually, your programming skill is good.
Thank you,
Yeah, yeah,
Miss. Goodbye, Miss.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you the next lesson.